So I'm gonna be playing Beastle Simulator because I'm really bored right now. So I'm gonna join the game. And I did buy a sprinkler called the Silver Soakers. I did have enough money, but I didn't really feel like making it a video. So I could prove it to you guys that I do have it. Hold up. Yeah, they're right here. Open shop. Silver Soakers, I have these. Yeah, you could equip two if you don't know that. It only takes about 5 seconds to build in the field. In my alt account, I used to have gifted bees, and I think I had the silver star or the bronze. Yeah, I really miss using my alt account. So this is how they look in field. There's one, and right here. Oh, come on. Right. There's one right there. So I'll see you guys once my whole backpack is full. Alright guys, my backpack is full, as you can see right there. Pollen container full. Go to your hive to make honey. So yeah, I'm not gonna show that hive right there because I already know what that looks like. So I'm gonna turn over here. Hold up. I'm gonna turn right here. The reason why I have red extract and blue extract on my inventory right here in the bottom is because whenever I'm using a blue boost or red boost, that's when I can activate it. Like right now I'm using red extract, which gives me 1.25 more pollen when you're collecting it. So it could give me like more of a boost. So yes. I usually use instant converter, but I don't really want to waste any tickets because there's a bee in the ticket shop that I'm trying to save my tickets up to, and it's the crimson bee, so it could be together with the cobalt bee because I already have that one. So wait, how many moon charms do I have? Only 11. Damn, I'm poor on moon charms. Yeah, I already put the sprinklers right here. Crap. I think I'm gonna defeat King Beetle. So I'll see you guys again once I defeat King Beetle. Hold up. Alright guys, I just defeated King Beetle. I'm gonna collect all the rewards. I was hoping on getting a King Beetle amulet, but I didn't get one today. Probably the next time when I defeat it. Yeah. Oh, Windy Bee is toys. Windy Bee right here? I don't know, Windy Bee is not right there. Um, yeah, I don't know what to do anymore. Wait, how much is for another hive slot? Wait, what are the things that I have right now? Oh yeah, I did wanted to show you guys tips and tricks on how to defeat the king beetle if you're struggling. If you're struggling to defeat him, so already you guys already know that king beetle is level 7, and then if you want to defeat it, just like when the king beetle is like right here, and you need to be in like this dark corner so you cannot really see you, and then your beast could attack it, and the king beetle won't attack you. So the king beetle's like right here. He will attack you because he can see you. But if the king beetle is right here, he cannot attack you when you're right here. So that's a trick on how to defeat him. Another one is when the king beetle's looking at you, move away from a couple seconds, and so you could dodge his attack every time when you're trying to defeat him and you're struggling. And also, I don't have any tips on how to defeat Tunnel Bear because I never defeated him because he's level 9, and my bees. I only have one level 8 bee, and that's my demon. And all my other bees are only level 7, so I'm still gonna need to do some more grinding on making my bees on level 9. Um, yeah, I don't really know what to do anymore. Yeah, I'm gonna see how much is the next hive slot. Or I could probably save up to get the golden rake. These are the stuff that I used to have on my alt account. I used to have the golden rake, beekeeper's boots, beekeeper's mask, Mondo belt bag, and I'm not lying because my alt account, I really like playing Bee Swarm on my alt account because I've been grinding up a lot, and I also used to have the glider, and I still have it on this account because it's right there. Um, yeah, I really miss playing on my alt account. I had a lot of grinding on that account. For some reason, I can't log back into it because whenever I log into it, it just signs me right out. Uh, I don't know what to do with the account anymore. But yes, I'm gonna try to get a 50 score so I could get the gold amulet. Um, should I should I get the should I get the bubble one for this, because I do see a lot of blue flowers and a lot of red flowers. What should I get? I'll just stick up with this one. I'm gonna put a sprinkler right there. Are you kidding me? It already has the commando ones? Yeah. Are you serious? I can't put it right there? Really, man? Okay, there we go. Ah, crap. I'm lagging so bad right now. Yeah, sorry for the very loud audio. Hold up, I'll move my mic a little bit farther from my mouth. There. Pretty sure you guys can still hear me. Hold up, I'll lower the volume. I almost called it value. There comes Mrs. Giant. I guess I'll see you guys if I get a golden amulet. No, I died. I didn't even have enough time anyways. Mm, should I equip the other one? Because plus 9% red pollen, plus 5 blue pollen. That's mostly the only ones that I usually use. Plus 1 player move speed. Plus 9% critical power. Yeah, I don't know what to equip. Should I equip the new one? Because I usually use red pollen and blue pollen. Should I get the old one or the new one? Yeah, I don't really know. It's so hard to decide on which one you should and which amulet you should get. I mean, like I am running low on jelly beans. I mean, like not that much. All my jelly beans are really running really low on jelly beans. Yeah, I don't even know which one to equip. Which one? I don't even know which one. You know what? I'm going for a new one because it has plus 9% red pollen and plus 5% blue pollen. Oh, but the other one was 9% blue pollen plus. I don't know. No, I'm going for the new one because plus 9% red pollen usually I use the red booster, so I'm going with the new one. Yeah, just give me support. Don't think if you guys already you guys already saw the amulet, so like don't be mad at me, don't yell at me in the comments. Just give me support, be positive, and and just be positive. And like I don't really like people who just start yelling at me. Just start being positive. Like I am a young kid, I'm only 10 years old. So just stay positive. If you think that I should have kept the old one, then just be positive in the comments and just like and just tell me that I should have equipped the old one and tell me a good reason. Be like, I already had a good reason why, so don't tell me a reason. Just stay positive in the comments. Just don't start getting mad at me. You start yelling at me with the exclamation mark or something. Um, just put in positive comments, and then yeah, just put positive comments. So I think I'm gonna end the video right here. Remember, just put positive comments if you see this video. So, as always, I'll see you guys next time whenever I make a new video. Um, I will be grinding up some more so I could get that crimson bee. Um, so, so I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.